Okay, Benica will do it. You want the big net or the little net?
What do you have to do, Grandpa?
Grandpa,
That
you
one?
want to help me do this?
All right.
Is it going?
No, you open the door.
Oh gosh. I'm not.
No.
Grandma opened the door.
Oh, wait, I want to open the door.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Everybody know their job?
Yeah.
Braden,
I
what's
throw
your
it
job?
on.
Get a little closer, just in
I'm
case.
helping Grandpa.
He might fly up. He's probably going to fly up.
How am I supposed to get in that?
I don't know.
Are you ready,
Go
Braden?
real slow. Open it real slow. So we can see. You see him? A little more.
I'm afraid.
So why?
A little more. More. I don't even see him.
I
Where
do,
did he go?
kind of.
Do you? Where?
It's in the corner.
Must be back up on the...
Oh, he's not in there.
It's gotta be. It's up on there.
Shut the door for!
Come on! Okay, how about if I go up there and try to get him from the top? And then, Braden, you want to run the net?
No. What about my job?
Well, you gotta, if the bird gets, if I miss him, you're gonna have to be throwing that. Or you could use, you wanna use, just use this one? I'll go up top, I gotta spook him back. Is he down? I'll bring him down and then you'll have to net him. Here, I gotta go back
No,
up.
you're gonna go out. You're gonna stay here by me.
No. Someone's gotta, you wanna go up top?
What do I gotta do?
Just go like this.
Look down there and take that thing down and you gotta reach your arm all the way down in there and then just go like this and then you'll jump down.
Okay.
You better
There's a
stay down
ladder.
here. Be safer. You'll fall off the roof. Here.
Oh, I don't want. What are you doing?
Here.
Well,
Come on.
Mom stayed there.
Just throw that net on top of it.
I'll be with Grandpa.
Someone, oh, Braden, aren't you gonna open the door for him?
No.
Oh, who is?
Mommy! No. Grandma is. I am super afraid. What if it flies up? Oh, I have an idea. There's a hole in it.
Oh, great.
I'm super duper afraid.
Hold the net. I'm gonna go put the door opener. How are we gonna see? We don't have a light. Well, it starts flapping.
No. I'm not ready. No. No. We're not gonna catch it.
That's a good idea. Just leave it like that.
Who's gonna hold it?
You're doing a good job.
What is that?
Open the window!
There's a screen on it!
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
What's
Here.
going on?
He's in here!
Where's the big net?
Grandpa!
Where is it? Gotcha!
Got him!
Why did you just catch it?